Hey guys, welcome to our homestead. This is Carl. I am back. Today we want to try and get some work done around the property. I got to cut some grass. Also do a little work in my garden. I got to work on my little goat house in the paddock on the east side of the property. And we bought some bird feeders, little cheap bird feeders with some wild bird seed. I'm going to hang one in this crepe myrtle here, and one in the crepe myrtle back there, and I'll find another tree somewhere in the back of the property maybe to hang the third one. Also, I want to do a little work in my garden. Hopefully I can get to all this stuff. Anyway, don't go nowhere. Let's get this work done. Alright guys, while working around the property, I saw this bad boy. His web spans from the magnolia tree to this little small crepe myrtle. And guess it's a big banana spider. I hate spiders just as much as I hate snakes. Let me see if I can zoom in a little more. I can't tell from looking at the lens if I can see the colors in the camera view, but I think I can. He's moving around, or he was. Anyway, looking at the other side of this tree, there's another one. I'm going to go and get a shot of him. Alright, there's the other one. And if I have to guess, you know, they're all over the property. Anyway, there you have it. There's two. I'm sure there's a lot more. Ooh, I hate those things. Alright guys, I think what I'm going to do is I have this tie wrap here. I'm going to use this tie wrap to hang this bird feeder up right here on this branch until I can find something more appropriate. But I think this will do for now. This is going to be real easy to do. And I think it's low enough for Mama to reach where she can come by and fill it. But we may have to cut this, the way this top is fastened up here, and replace the tie wrap unless I find a more appropriate way. Anyway, there you go. There's one bird feeder. I'm going to walk to the back of the little road here and put another one. Then I'll find a place for the third one. So go away. Alright, the second one's a little bit smaller. Go ahead and put it right here. Kind of hard for me to see it with that one bad eye, but I got it. Anyway, there it is. That's two. Now we'll go find a spot for the third one. Alright, we'll go ahead and put this last one right here on this little crepe myrtle. Here. I was thinking, just might help out with the spider situation. I hope so. I hate spiders. Alright, come on, Carl. Okay. Alright, let's hop on over to something else, y'all. I'm going away. Alright guys, before I get started on my garden here, I wanted to give a little shout out to one of our friends on YouTube. Our Harvest Homestead up in Indiana. Jay, I didn't forget you. Jay gave us a shout out a week or two ago. We were kind of out of pocket and haven't done any videos in a while, but Jay, we didn't forget you, buddy. Y'all need to go check out Jay at Our Harvestmoon Homestead. Dakota, you scared me. I didn't know what that was, Mark, walking around there. That's Dakota and Max looking for a lizard. Anyway, go check out Our Harvestmoon Homestead up in I don't know if it's southern Indiana, but I know they're in Indiana. But anyway, they have a great website. They do a lot of preserving, canning, stuff like that. Just everyday things, how-to videos, and what to do type videos. They have a wide variety of videos. So go stop by, and if you haven't already subscribed, think about doing so. Jay puts up videos very often. If I had to guess, almost daily. Anyway, Jay, thanks for the shout out, and we appreciate your support, and we always like supporting our other homestead channels and other friends on YouTube. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get started in my garden here in a second. I got some more black cow I want to put down. Learned that from my buddy Dan at Home in the Sticks. Thank you, Dan. I'm looking at that little pepper plant, which I planted early spring, I think it was. And it's got a not a bell pepper, it's got a jalapeno pepper growing on it. And another bell pepper plant right there close to the beans is putting out a bell pepper. That was planted out in the early spring also. I'm not going to yank them up just yet. We're going to see what happens with those. But let me get started on this, guys. Don't go nowhere. Oh, guys, by the way, I wanted to add, too, I'm going to put a link down below for Our Harvestmoon channel. So go down and click on that link and go straight to Jay's homestead channel. I have a few cabbage plants I want to put here and see what they do. First time planting cabbage, y'all. Alright, guys, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, guys, I don't know if you can see on the far end, that's all my cabbage plants. My wife told me she bought 3. But she didn't tell me that she bought 3 pails. I think they come 6 to each little pail. So that's 18. Yeah, I bought the last 3. Gotta love her. Anyway, there's all the cabbage over there. I hope they do something. You know, I'm not a gardener by any means, so I'm learning from a lot of you guys. Dan, my Home in the Sticks, Miss Linda. I watch a lot of CDs, YouTube channels, videos also. Anyway, I put them in the ground. Let's see what they do. You guys, don't forget, always like and comment on each other's YouTube channels. That helps each other out. And always give a thumbs up to the people's channels I watch. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. Got a little bit planned for tomorrow. You guys have a great weekend. God bless.